Hello from the snowy Sioux. About to get much more snowy. I noticed the control arm was up. I don't know if you can see. Here we have one of the tugs pushing this barge. There we go. I can use words. Yes. I'm not sure which tug it is yet. This is a tug champion. What was the other one? The Owen Frederick, I think. We'll see. Given the name on that crane, I think it's going to be Tug Champion, but I'll know here very briefly. Yep, Tug Champion. I thought so. I hear them on the radio a lot, a whole lot. It's part of this lock construction project here. Hear sirens. So I honestly have no idea where they're going with that or why. I just never really get opportunity to see the tugs doing their thing, so I figured I'd record a little bit. That crane there had its arm, I guess we could call it arm, upright this morning, but now I see it's back down. So I don't know if that's the crane that will be responsible for putting all the stop logs in place or what. I really don't know. Today is Thursday the 22nd. Officially winter. I don't know if you can see the snow. It's pretty fine, but it is snowing and we're under a blizzard watch. It's supposed to get what's the term, dynamic tonight. There's the good boy, right? He's got his front legs in the snow, back legs not. Silly dog. So I feel like everyone's kind of getting ready for the upcoming storm. It's supposed to hit tonight. Tomorrow's supposed to be pretty interesting. So I guess we'll see if the snow predictions come true or not. So I'm about as prepared as I can be. I keep seeing snowmobiles zipping around, and of course I don't have a snowmobile. So as I've said several times, I have a feeling the people here know something I don't. In fact, I'm sure they don't, or do. Wow, okay, use words. There we go. I am on my lunch, of course. I gotta go back and go to work. I might, I'm trying to decide what to do. I'll probably set up a time lapse tomorrow, make a little video out of that. I don't expect there to be much in the way of ships tomorrow, and if the storm lives up to what they say, well, our walks might be minimal. Much to the chagrin of the good boy here. Right, dog? Oh, what do you smell over there? Do you smell electricity? Earlier in the year, right at the end of tourist season, someone chucked a bunch of like chicken bones, like they had some fried chicken over the fence there, and every time we walk by, Argo would be very interested. He's gonna be very interested in something now. No idea what it could be. So, anyway, I'm quit rambling. There's our ship action for the day, the Tug Champion, as they continue work on the lock. So I'm gonna head back home, head back to work. Have a great day, stay warm, and hope y'all have some cool stuff to record.